Hello. Where did Oscar go? Did he go hide? Oh, he's hiding. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness, he's hiding. Hi. How are you? Hello. Hello. Oscar. Oh, my goodness, he's in where is he? So many hisses. Oh, my goodness, so many hisses. So many hisses. Oh, my goodness, come here. Oh, there. That's better, isn't it? Hi. Remember me? I'm nice. You like me. I'm a nice kitten. I don't put kittens in the garbage. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, poor little kittens. They're so scared. They're so scared. Oh my goodness. They'll get better. They have every right to be scared. Yes. Kittens. Yes. You don't have to be scared, but you do have every right to be scared. Yes. But you will soon learn that you don't need to be scared. Yeah. How's your tummy? How's your tummy? Hello. Hello. Where's Whoop. Oh my goodness. You were not hissing earlier. Did you forget? Did you forget that some people are nice? Oh my goodness, come here. No, come here. Yes, we're going to have to work on that, aren't we? Yes, we are. Oh my goodness, you were so happy earlier. Did you forget about snuggles and purring and all the good things? Oh, there are flea carcasses on the floor. That's good. Flea carcasses. By tomorrow, the fleas should all be dead. Most of them are already dead. Yes. Just a few little stragglers. See, it's not so bad. You don't need to do hissing. We don't need to do hissing. No, we don't need to do that. Tomorrow we will have much better bathing. It's horrible. They look fluffy and clean on the outside, but if you look in their fur, there's so much flea dirt still. So many fleas. Oh, so awful. So awful, but so much better now, huh? Clean and warm, and you've got so much food. The worms. We're working on the worms. Yes, you don't have to worry anymore. Things are looking up. Okay, remember this. Fun, right? Oh, look at it. I did not bring my laptop in because I'm just coming to check on them for the night. Although I may be back again. I do want to let them get settled and start to feel safe. Ugh. I can't wait to give you a bath tomorrow. You guys will feel so much better then, I think. Oh my God, no need to run away. There's no need to run away. Look, look, oh, this is fun. What about this? Kitten. Oh, you remember you were begging to be picked up. You were begging to be picked up. Oh, there's some work to do. We have some work to do. Yes. Oh, good. No hisses that time. That's good. Yeah. You're looking quite pink. Oh, oh, you're so cute. Oh, your poor little toes, huh? Oh, you're looking pretty good. Oh, there we go. How come nobody wants to hang out with you there? Hey, little purple. Hang out with your brother. Hang out with your brother. Good for snuggle. There you go. Look at what I want to snuggle right here. Look at what to snuggle under there. Yeah. Look, it's so warm and comfy. Oh. Oh, run away from the scary human. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes, it's okay. It's okay. Oh my goodness. Come here, little darling. Yes. Look. There, you can hide under there if you want to. So cute. Oh no, little hisses. Little hisses. No petting. Oh. Oh. Hi. Let me put that back. Oh. Put that back. Here. Make it cozy. Do you think that? What if we put this under here? Would you like that? You can hide under there if you want to. That's nice and cozy. Oh, that's good, right? I'll find you something else. Maybe a fish bed or something. Okay. What do you see that thing? Some more water. They're not very good at not stepping in their water bowl. Quite lots of food, though, that's good. Okay. Oh, so cute.